you guys are with me. Wait, what is this? Is this some kind of prank? Do I hear wrapping paper? Wait, what? There's something hard on my bed. What is this? Hold on. Speaking of beds, you might wonder why I'm on an air mattress. And that's because my bed still hasn't been delivered yet. So I'm on an air mattress. Wait, I'm so confused what this is. Wait, boxes? 1, 2, 3 boxes on my bed? What is this? This is crazy. Is this some kind of Christmas present or something? My brothers must have just brought my mail in and put it on my bed to trick me. Well, I guess I'll take it to my... Well, I was going to take it to my studio until I hurt my poor finger. So, now I'm going to take it to my studio. It's really heavy. Hopefully there's nothing glass inside. Let me brush my hair. I have to start my video. Well, this is weird because I don't even think you guys can see through all of these boxes. So, might as well move them. And I actually kind of have some weight to them, so I'm wondering what's inside. That's better. Okay, let's open this first box here. Oh, 5 surprise! You guys loved it when I did that last time. Remember how I got the gold one on the last try? That was so crazy. Ooh, this looks like it opens up very interesting. Very satisfying, maybe? More? Ooh, that looks satisfying. Ready? Watch. Ooh, wow, this is a very fancy box. Oh, it's mini toys instead of food. That's so cool. Ooh, looks like there's one over there. Oh, there's some more. So there's one and then more. Oh my gosh. Wow. And I have 3 boxes of these to open. This is going to be epic. I have an idea. So I'm going to open these, put all the balls in here. It'll be giant. It's going to be cool. And then I'll just open them all. Whoa, it's mini brands. Just kidding. So, I have a couple more left. And the last one! So many of them. I'm so excited to open these all. I wonder... Oh wait, I remember. There's 5 in each. So like, that's a lot. We're going to play a little game deciding which one I open first. So I'm going to throw it. And then, if it lands in the middle, that means I get to open it. Second one. What? Getting that. It seems like so easy. What? Yes, I got it. Okay. Let's see. I'm almost there. This one's white and the last one was gold. So satisfying. I'm very excited to see what these are gonna look like because I have no idea what kinds they're gonna be.
Then she's gonna let her mom start helping her open them.
Uh-oh, am I? First one. Oh my gosh, markers! It's so cute. It's like so perfect. Like we have these at our house right now. Oh my gosh, a Ninja Turtles mask? That's so funny. Fingerlings? These are like everything you're gonna see at Target. Oh my gosh, I have one of these. One of those little robotic dogs. That's so cute. They're so realistic. So cute. Oh my gosh, a Rubik's Cube. Zach is gonna love this. He's literally gonna love this. It's so cute. He likes Rubik's Cubes. Okay, now we have a little manual thingy. Ooh. Oh wow, you can get a gold Rubik's Cube. These are the really rare ones. And then a gold X-Shot Nerf gun. And then a gold SpongeBob rainbow thingy.
Okay, so we have to get one.
Ooh, I did this one the satisfying way. It doesn't always do that, but that time it did. It didn't finish it though. Ooh. Oh, the shopping cart. I was like, what is that? There's nothing in here. Are you serious? How
You got a blank?
Yes.
Oh no.
How? Oh
You're
God.
jinxed.
A JoJo bow. It's so rainbow and cute. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, but I got this one, and since I have two, I'm gonna open this one. See what it's like inside. It looks like the real package if you were to open it. Oh, it's really hard to open. Of course, because it's tiny. I got it! Wait, does it actually? Oh no, it doesn't actually like work, but it's really cute. Here's the next thing we got. Oh my gosh, we did a video for these ones. Look.
Oh
Remember
yeah, those are
that?
cute.
Those are cute.
And she got this little miniature for the hoop.
Yep.
And a
Another
frisbee.
mask. Yes, a frisbee.
Frisbee.
Another shopping cart.
Okay, I'm just gonna grab one of these and help Alyssa by opening it with her because, you know,
You worship opening them.
sometimes adults like to open things too.
It's fun. I bet I'll open mine first. I'm gonna open it first. I'm gonna open it first.
I might win on this one.
No.
There we go.
Oh, you win.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what I got first. I got a JoJo head.
One of these little doll thingies. I think we already got one.
I got another one of these, a little chippy.
So cute. Ooh, we haven't gotten this yet. It's like a little robotic
Oh
snake.
yeah, we have that toy.
That's what we do.
Yeah, the boys have that.
I didn't even know they had that. Another frisbee.
Another one of these avatars. Oh, crayons.
Bunch of balloons.
Oh, cute.
It's so cute. We always get those.
We love these.
More of a shopping cart. This is fun. And we have
Next.
so many more to go. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna
That's
get
so
something
many.
rare, okay? That's our
We
goal.
better.
We're gonna open something rare for you guys
How are we gonna know it's
because
rare?
we're gonna look on the little map and it's gonna tell us.
A map. A map.
Yes, map.
Oh my god.
The toy map.
The toy map.
The
I
product
like
map.
it. The product map.
Okay, here we go. This is the satisfying part. Opening up that.
Oh no.
Pulling them.
I can't remember what this is. Am I blind? Oh, there it is.
Oh, look, Alyssa, I got another art supply.
Oh, it's so
A tiny little paint. Got a Ninja Turtle.
I got a Blaze car. More bunch of balloons.
Another chippy.
Slime.
Oh, that's cool.
So cute.
Another one of those guys.
Robo Alive Dinosaur. That's so
Oh, that one's cute.
cute. Still so many to open.
A lot to open. A lot of chances to get a rare one.
I know. We should start setting these up.
Okay. When I was talking about the map, this is the map.
The map.
This is the map right here.
That's the map.
Okay, we need to get the metallic ones, the glow-in-the-dark ones, the gold ones. That's what we want to get here.
You
Okay.
better get one. I'm gonna be pretty sad.
We'll be very sad. We'll be devastated.
I'll be devastated. Look, I just got paint and one of these little unicorn balls. Looks so cute.
Oh,
We also just got this alligator head and this little
it's so cute.
Genie's toy. Very cute. We just opened two super cute ones. See what I get in here. I'm gonna open them for you.
I'm gonna catch up.
We're gonna try to catch up. Another Robo Alive Dinosaur.
I'm catching up.
So satisfying.
Catching up.
Top.
Okay,
Oh no, you're catching up.
I got a blue shopping cart.
I got a fingerlings. Another fingerlings. The same two in a row.
Oh, I got a cute one. I got a cute
Bunch of
one.
balloons.
Oh,
Yes, I finished shopping
I got a hula
bag. Yay! I
you
done it.
finished? Ah,
Yeah.
she beat me.
Yeah, I
I'll
gotta
get
start on
you
the
next
next
time.
one. You
Oh,
know, you
Rice
could still
Krispies.
beat me on this. You could still beat me.
Okay, I'm coming to beat you. And that one. Okay.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ah! You're going fast.
I'm definitely gonna beat her on this
Oh
one.
shoot!
I'm vicious.
Oh my gosh! I'm vicious.
I'm vicious.
I'm vicious. Oh, I got it. My hands are greasy. No, my hands are greasy.
Okay, my first one. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, I got it. My first one's Dora.
Oh, you beat me.
You better hurry.
Oh my
There's still
gosh.
time for
My
you.
hands are too greasy.
My little
I
friend.
literally can't even open
Okay,
it.
my second one
No,
is this one.
I can't open it.
You better go to the next one. My third one. I got
Shopping
this
cart?
car.
I literally
My
can't
fourth
even
one.
open
Oh,
it.
cute.
JoJo, but oh, that's so cute.
And my last one,
Oh, you beat me.
a cart. Oh, she's
winning.
going ahead.
I'm winning. Unless you start to beat me, which you can't. There's no way. Oh, shoot. I got it.
Oh my gosh, I can't find mine. Oh, got it. Got it.
Oh, cute. We don't have this yet.
Okay, I got shopping bags for my first one. I have my second one too. Pens.
Ninja Turtles. Oh no.
Whatever that
Chris.
was.
And
Frisbee and
my last one.
oh, my last one.
That was
Okay.
satisfying.
I came into her video because we need to have a more fair unboxing experience
Well, I'm winning so far.
as far as the race goes.
I'm
So
still winning.
people are probably like,
I'm kind
that's
of
the most
excited.
unsatisfying way ever to open toys. Opening them as
We
fast
have
as
so
you
many
can.
little hula hoops. I know. Ooh, another Nerf gun. I like putting the top part.
I'm noticing how we're coming down to the end and we're not coming up
We
with
have no rare
any
ones.
rare ones.
Very sad.
How is that possible? Okay, I got
I don't
markers.
know. Me too. I got you got crayons. I got markers.
Oh, whatever. I got
This
another.
is something Owen would like.
Oh, that's
Isn't
another
it
one too.
cute? I feel like Owen would like that.
It's so cute. It's a little monster trap.
I should give it to him. Even
I
though
got
it's
another
really
cute
like,
little fingerling.
aw. Another shopping cart. So many shopping carts.
We have a lot of shopping carts.
We do have a lot of shopping
Okay, are we opening this one
Shopping
fair and
carts that
square?
we, yeah.
Okay, we're starting
Shopping
fair and
carts,
square.
shopping carts that we haven't even opened yet.
Okay,
I think I'm
she's ahead
winning.
so far. Lucky for her, because once I get started, I usually don't lose.
Oh. I'm opening. Let's see. A JoJo bow. What's next? A JoJo head.
Wow.
JoJo feet. Just kidding. No backs.
An aviator, a marker,
Crayons.
a little orange,
That.
and
Wait.
I won. Did I win? Did I
Wait,
win?
no, because I was already done.
Dang it.
I have high hopes for what in this box.
Maybe your very last one will be good, but then what if it's not? We don't get
I
any rare
know,
ones.
that would be so sad. Like, how do you not get rare ones when you get this many? Like, that would just be weird.
Because they're so rare. That's why.
I guess so.
Very, very rare.
It says super rare, so I guess it's super
Extremely rare.
Extremely.
We're not good
Super
enough.
rare.
You have to be very, very good
We're
to
not
get them.
worthy to handle the rare.
We aren't. You have to be a very special soul to get such
You have to
rare
be very
things.
special.
Also, I'm totally beating you on
Oh,
this.
come on. Don't brag.
I'm like on my last one.
Unicorn
My
ball?
scissors this time.
Tiny little eye thingy. Oh.
Let's see who gets the first one to get a double wins.
A double? What?
Yes.
Okay.
So, if we get one we already have, whoever gets it first wins. Oh my gosh. She's gonna win because I can't even get my ball open.
Double.
I had no chance.
This one's cute though. I've never
Okay.
even
The
seen
second
this
person to get a double also wins.
What?
Double!
Oh. That's just cheating. Only a couple left.
I don't know if you're gonna be quite so lucky this time.
Well, I hope. You like winning or double?
Well, winning as in getting a rare.
Oh, okay. I hope, because there's 2 left. Very important.
Shopping cart.
The first one to get a super rare one wins.
If anyone gets a rare one, they're amazing. Okay, I got a little dinosaur.
I think I'm putting them over here.
I got a frisbee.
A frisbee? Oh, I have an idea. We should put like the different
A hula
doubles like
hoop.
in each one of these.
That's a good
Wouldn't
idea.
that be fun to see how many
A
we
Ninja
got?
Turtle. Okay, there's
Oh
2
my God,
left.
there's 2 left.
One for Alyssa,
I
one for
will
myself.
take.
How about whichever
Wait,
one
I
was
have
in
to.
the middle?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we're gonna
I
roll
was
it.
I was about to say I have to sniff which one smells like super rare. I
Do you smell a super rare one?
feel like this one's a little bit more rare.
Okay, roll in the middle. Whoever gets the middle first.
Ready, set,
So
go.
Alyssa opens.
Ready,
You get the middle.
set, go. Oh, okay,
Keep
one more
going.
time. Ready, set, go. What? Ready? Ready, set, go. Oh. What? You can do 2. Ready,
Well, it's
set,
just
go.
another one goes in the middle.
Okay, ready, set, go.
We
How
got
are
to
we
get it in
not
the
getting
middle.
this? Ready, set, go.
So the middle, but you get to open it. She gets to open the one that goes in the
Okay,
middle.
I'll do it.
We all have one that didn't land in the middle. We're on the last one.
The last one.
The first thing I got is an avatar.
The first thing I got is a dinosaur.
Then I got a JoJo.
Uh-oh, are we gonna get anything rare? Shopping
I
bag?
got a frisbee. I got that cute little 3-pack of paints.
Oh, we're really scared.
Oh, I don't think we're gonna get it, Alyssa.
This one.
And I got shopping bags.
The last one.
We didn't get a rare one. We did open this cute little.
We did get a million bajillion commons.
Yes, we did. We
We
got
got
a lot
so
of
many.
stuff.
Okay, so I think we should put like all the different ones in the different ones. Like,
Okay, we're gonna try to sort them for you guys. While Alyssa sorts, look how cute this one is. It's like a miniature of what we literally just opened.
we've sorted them all, and here's everything we got. The ones outside the circle are the ones we got less of. So many hula hoops. Bunch of balloons. These four we only got one of, so we're gonna consider them our most rare. Time to go shopping. Yeah, let's get a hula hoop. Okay, so, well, before I say bye, I have to lower this because, oh, that's better. So, I hope you guys loved my video today, and if you guys happen to open these, let me know if you get the super rare ones that we didn't get, which is very sad. But, I don't know. Hopefully some of you guys at least got the rare ones, and that you liked them, and that you liked this video. So, press thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!